Hi guys, in today's video it's going to be a review video, and today I'm going to be reviewing a product for a pastry on icing bag. Now this bag is made out of a thick plastic, and I'm actually going to use it to decorate some cupcakes and show you guys how strong it is. So let's move ahead on to decorating our cupcakes. So guys, here we have the bags. When you purchase this, it comes 50 in the pack, and you get 6 of these rubber band rings with it. The plastic is quite strong. It's not thin, it's not going to burst very easily. I can tell it's made with really good material. So I already put my icing into my bag, and here I have my tip. Now the tip is not provided, you have to use your own tip. But the bags are so strong that if you needed to do very small piping with a very basic piping tip, like a round tip, you just cut the bag to the size and you would use that. These bags were designed in mind so that when you squeeze or put pressure onto the bag, it does not spill through the top. So let's go ahead now and ice our cakes. Now if you guys wanted a recipe for this icing, I will leave it as an end card for you all. I have that on my channel already. I really like it. You may think plastic and it's not the best, but it's actually really good. It's so good that I think if you wanted to make puffs, you wanted to use this to put your batter in to make some puffs or choux pastry, this would work really well also, or even cookies you can pipe out from these bags. I must say that these piping bags work really well. It's very strong. I'm not going to recommend a product that I don't like, and I like it so much that I'm going to put it into my Amazon store. So guys, this bag is so strong that you can do from icing to cookies, and even you can make puffs using choux pastry. So if you guys liked this product, please click in the description box and you will find the link for it. Thank you all so much for watching, and enjoy!